Hi, my name is Chris Phillips. I'm here at the Sennheiser booth at InfoComm 2026. We're really excited to talk about Spectera and the things that we're coming soon with and expanding on, specifically the handheld SKM transmitter. So we have one here. They're going to be shipping in Q3 of this year. It will have the ability to put on a couple different adapter rings. We're showing it here with one that has a command feature, which would allow people to talk back to their monitor engineer or production and then go back live on the air. So this is a programmable button that you can install yourself. We'll also have third-party capsule adapters for it, and it, as always, we'll use any of the Sennheiser or Neumann capsules. Also with Spectera, we're showing something that released a week ago, which is sound-based control. So sound-based is a manufacturer-agnostic frequency coordination and wireless control platform, where the free version, you're able to control one manufacturer, and that includes Spectera. So we're excited to have that launching, the handheld launching, and to continue growing the Spectera platform. If you want to look up more information on the handheld or anything else that you see here, please go to www.sennheiser.com. Thank you.